Hey everyone, I'm Ben,
And I'm Jane.
and today we're talking about how to sound more confident.
Using simple sentence frames.
Nothing fancy,
Just small, real lines you can use when you're at an event, meeting people, and sharing your thoughts.
so relax. Just listen first.
Borrow lines you like.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to share your opinion in simple English.
Even when you feel nervous or unsure.
We'll do a gentle repeat after us later.
And we'll finish with a calm word tour at the end. Okay, let's set the scene.
You're at a small event,
Maybe a work gathering.
maybe a friend's birthday.
Maybe a community meetup.
There's music, there's food. People stand in little circles, holding drinks,
And you're there.
trying to look relaxed.
But inside,
Your heart is a little fast,
yeah, you're smiling.
but your brain is doing that loading thing.
Someone turns to you and says, "So, what do you think?"
And suddenly,
Your thoughts run away.
your mouth feels empty,
You have ideas.
but they're hiding.
Same.
I remember one time I was at a friend's housewarming party.
Oh no.
Yeah, people were talking about a movie.
Everyone had opinions. And then they looked at you.
Exactly. Someone said, Ben, what about you?
Pressure.
Big pressure. I wanted to say something smart, something interesting.
And?
I said, it was nice.
Nice?
Just nice.
That's it?
That's it. Then I took a big sip of my drink and pretended to check my phone.
Same energy.
And later I thought, I had so many thoughts. Why did I say nice?
Yeah, that happens to so many people.
Including me, often.
I had a similar moment at a networking event. People were talking about travel.
Oh, travel talk is dangerous.
Very. Someone asked me about my last trip.
And your mind went blank?
Completely. I suddenly forgot every place I had ever visited.
You're like, I live in my house.
Exactly. I said, "It was good." And that was all.
So here's the thing.
This happens because we think we need perfect sentences.
We think we need big words.
We think we need a full story.
But in real life,
People don't want perfection.
they just want connection.
And that's why simple sentence frames help so much.
Okay, first idea.
Start small.
You don't need a long speech.
You just need one short opening.
Something like,
I think it's interesting.
or, for me, it feels.
Or, I like it because
These are soft starters.
they opened the door.
So imagine you're back at that event.
Someone says to you, "What do you think about this music?"
Instead of freezing,
You say, "I like it. It feels relaxing."
that's enough.
You don't need more.
Second idea.
Share one feeling,
Not a full review.
just one emotion.
Like,
It makes me happy.
or,
It feels a bit strange.
or.
I'm not sure, but I enjoy it.
So simple.
So human.
At events, feelings are powerful.
Because feelings invite conversation.
Someone might say, oh really, why?
And now you're talking.
Okay, this one is magic.
For me,
Two small words.
big comfort.
Because when you say, for me,
You don't sound strong or aggressive.
you sound personal.
Like, for me, it's a little loud.
For me, I prefer quiet places.
For me, it's interesting.
You're not saying it's right or wrong.
You're just sharing your side.
Next idea.
Add a soft reason,
Just one because.
not a long explanation.
For example,
I like it because it's warm.
I don't love it because it's crowded.
That works for me because it's simple,
Now your sentence feels complete.
but still easy.
Last tool.
End with a small question
This takes pressure off you.
and gives it back to the other person.
Like, what about you?
How do you feel?
Do you like it?
Now you're not alone in the conversation.
Okay, let's play it out.
You're at the event.
Someone hands you a drink.
Music in the background.
A small group is talking about the food.
Someone turns to you.
So, what do you think?
You breathe.
Just one breath.
Then you say, "I like it. It feels fresh."
Nice.
They smile.
They say, yeah, I agree.
Then someone talks about the place.
You jump in softly.
For me, it's cozy
Because
because it's not too loud.
perfect.
Then you add, what about you?
And boom,
You're in the conversation.
no big sentences,
No pressure.
just small frames.
Okay, let's slow down.
Take a breath.
Repeat with us, softly, calmly.
I think it's nice.
I think it's pretty nice.
But for me, it feels relaxing.
For me, it feels calm.
I like it because it's simple.
I like it because it's quiet.
I'm not sure, but I enjoy it.
I'm not sure, but I like it.
It's a bit loud for me.
It's a little loud for me.
What about you?
How do you feel?
Good job.
Take your time.
Let's do our word tour.
Slow and easy.
Opinion, what you think or feel. Example, that's my opinion.
For me, your personal feeling. Example, for me, it's cozy.
Because gives a reason. Example, I like it because it's warm.
Relaxed, calm in your body. Example, I feel relaxed here.
Crowded, too many people. Example, it's crowded tonight.
Prefer, like one thing more. Example, I prefer quiet places.
Interesting, makes you curious. Example, that's interesting.
Enjoy, feel happy doing something. Example, I enjoy the music.
What about you? Invite the other person. Example, I like it. What about you?
So today, we used 5 small tools.
Start small.
Share one feeling.
Use for me.
Add a soft reason.
End with a small question.
That's it.
Not perfect English.
Just human English.
Confidence over perfection.
Tiny homework for this week.
At your next event,
Try one sentence frame.
just one.
And in the comments, write one line.
For me, I like closing. Thanks for spending this time with us.
You're doing better than you think.
If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe.
We'll see you next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.